Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out if a particular YouTube channel is currently monetized. First thing you want to do, you want to come over here on YouTube and you want to click on channel that you're interested in. Let's go on this particular CNBC Make It. You gotta go on the channel and you gotta click on the three dots on the top right corner. When you click on the three dots, you will have the option to actually share, or in other words, simply copy the link from the YouTube channel. The second step is very important. You gotta go on Google Chrome and you gotta type is this channel monetized.com. This is how the page looks like. This is how the website looks like. Okay. Then you want to scroll down. Be very careful. There are a bunch of ads on the header. You want to scroll down to the actual real search box where you actually paste the YouTube channel link that we just copied, right? And then you gotta hit check monetization. It should prompt us very fast and we should get the results. This is very, very important because sometimes some people want to start a brand new YouTube channel, especially now 2024 is coming, right? And now you want to make sure that the niche or the channel or the topic that you're, trying to build up audience around is monetizable, right? It can be monetized on the YouTube. As you can see over here, this channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. This means that the content they're producing is monetizable. The question is how many of the videos are currently monetized. You can manually turn on and off monetization. As you can see, we can actually see more numbers over here. Very, very interesting. The RPM is pretty low. As we can see, it moves up and down in the particular niche, but definitely this website gives you much more details and in-depth analysis of the particular YouTube channel. And this is how you're actually finding out is particular YouTube channel monetized. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.